Hey dear Sagittarius, this is your weekly reading Monday till Sunday, August 10th till the 16th. Sagittarius. What's wrong with you, Sagittarius? Huh? Are you okay? It seems like you want to shut up. Do you want to isolate yourself? Because it seems like you're gonna do it for the entire week. Okay, on a Monday, guys, Sagittarius, I can sense Sagittarius. It seems like you do not the person who had been talking to you or chatting to you or communicating with you, you want that person to shut up. Yep, you are really insisting of that. Whoever the person who has been communicating with you lately, you really wanted that person to simply shut up. Don't bug me, don't disturb me. I don't want to deal with this anymore. I think it's a song. Yeah. And I got a feeling maybe you got pissed off, disappointed or frustrated the week prior to this, because it seems like really, and you are really, that's how intense it is, because you really wanted that person to stop talking to you. Maybe this person did something that really pushed you to make that person to shut up. Okay, on a Tuesday, guys, this is what I'm telling you. You're really like isolating yourself. It seems like you do not want to talk to anybody. I get a feeling you are on a thinking mode. Thinking deeply with regard to how to go about your life, your situation with this person, whoever that is, because at the end of the day, you really do not want to be bothered with this person, because you really had enough. Seems like this person has shown his or her true colors, and you do not want to have any troubles or any issues hovering you, because you already had too much on your plate, Sagittarius. And yeah, you are on a thinking mode. You do not want to talk. You're isolating yourself, and yeah, you are letting your mind to do or the process to do all the processing of thoughts before you're gonna act on it. You're on the thinking mode, but you want to isolate. You do not want to talk. Okay, on a Wednesday, it seems like you are showing strength that you can make it through. Okay, Sagittarius, I can sense you're really showing strength that you can make it through. People might see you're so weak, but you are trying your best to come out of this situation super strong, because at the end of the day, it's a matter of strength. Who can stand tall and without having to worry about failure. Because I gotta finish Sagittarius, you are sick and tired of failing. You really want to be successful in the matters of the heart, or in the matters of the career, money, or everything in your life. You want to conquer yourself. You want to conquer everything within around you. On a Thursday, this is where, since you were showing strength that you can make it through, you can pull it out. It seems like you are rewarded, because you do not feel like crap anymore. You do not get burdened by it. You feel so lighthearted. Yeah, it seems like you can breathe. You can totally breathe, because things are really going the way you want it to be. On a Friday, guys, guess what? Chill time. Okay, I don't know if it's payday. You're going to payday, Sagittarius, because you are on a chill mood. Chill mood, chill time, and I can sense some of you are really can really attest to yourself that finally I made it. Finally, I did something right in my life, and things are already in proper order. And I can sense all things around you during this time around Friday. Things are really totally in order, and you can really see it like right in front of you, and how people are dealing with you, how they deal with yourself, how you deal with yourself, how other people deal with you. On a Saturday, guess what? Ta-da-da! You are using your logic. You are sick and tired of using your intuition. Because for you, it seems like my intuition, is there something wrong with my intuition? Because it's not guiding me properly. And you are really aiming to use your logic. Because for you, when I use my logic, I do not fall for any trap anymore. Because last time I checked, I used my intuition. Where did it lead me? It led me to devastation. And on a Sunday, you guys, I have a feeling you are kind of ungrounded. So please do something about your energy. Kind of off, ungrounded. Maybe because of the shift of energy that you're doing, the isolating, then being strong, because you are not this one. You're not the type of person who isolates. You're not the type of person who wants to project you're strong. So maybe this is the reason why you feel weak. It's because you are doing some things that are not really your personality, Sagittarius. Yeah, you're a bubbly person. You're a very, like center of the party kind of thing. Similar to your cousin Gemini. Okay? Yes, Sagittarius. So I do suggest just take it slow. Do not change yourself super fast. Do it slowly but surely so that you will not have this off energy by Sunday. You do not want to go to this one because Sunday, what will happen on a Monday? are, are you sure that Monday will be an okay day coming from Sunday that you felt ungrounded, like not grounded at all? Yeah, so fix your energy slowly but surely. Do not do something that is too much for you to handle. Just take it one bite size at a time. Okay? So, by the way, if you want to know more as to what's gonna happen on a weekly or entire month or for the next few months until the end of the year, you can book a reading with me. I'll be glad to see you through. I mean, walk you through about what's gonna happen, Sagittarius. Okay, thank you so much for watching and sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance.